In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. Dr. Mohammad Naeem, the Deputy Minister of Finance and Administration of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, met with the Special Envoy of China for Afghanistan. The Minister of Industry and Commerce talks with the Deputy President of Turkmenistan for trade on the sidelines of the 30th Turkmenistan International Oil and Gas Exhibition and Conference. And food prices rise following the closure of border crossings in Pakistan. Welcome to today's news package. Is Thursday, the 1st of Jamadi al-Awwal 1447, the 1st of Aqrab 1404, and the 23rd of October 2025. The news details. Dr. Mohammad Naeem, the Deputy Minister of Finance and Administration of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, met with Urooj, the Special Envoy of China for Afghanistan. Based on the Minister of Foreign Affairs, the two sides discussed bilateral issues and recent border tensions between Afghanistan and Pakistan. Dr. Naeem stated that the Islamic Emirate is committed to engaging with all countries based on mutual relations and will not allow anyone to use Afghanistan territory against others. Meanwhile, His Excellency Urooj expressed that China hopes to strengthen long-term relations with Afghanistan based on mutual respect and reaffirmed China's respect for Afghanistan's national sovereignty and values. Molavi Nuruddin Azizi, the Minister of Industry and Commerce, met with Nukarghuliat Aghliyov, the Deputy Chairman of the Cabinet and Deputy President of Turkmenistan for trade, on the sidelines of the 30th Turkmenistan International Oil and Gas Exhibition and Conference. The Deputy President of Turkmenistan for trade, expressing satisfaction with the growth of industry in Afghanistan, announced his country's interest in importing Afghan products and stated that the delegation would soon visit the industrial parks of Mazar Sharif and Kabul. He also proposed hosting an Afghan-Turkmen business forum in Turkmenistan. Additionally, both sides discussed the establishment of a logistics center in the city of Kushka, Turkmenistan, to facilitate trade and transit among Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, and Afghanistan. The news continuation. The Minister of Justice announced that 5,470 acres of land in Dasht-e-Abchakan within the jurisdiction of Pol Alam city, the capital of Logar province, have been confirmed as state property. In accordance with the ministry, the Special Court for the Investigation of Usurped State Lands in the Central Zone examined the relevant documents and ruled the mentioned land legally belonged to the government. And here's the last news. Food prices in Pakistan have risen sharply following the closure of trade and transit routes, particularly the Turham crossing. Reports indicate that supply of fruit and vegetables in Pakistani market has dropped significantly, resulting in unprecedented price increases. It is reported that the price of tomatoes in Pakistan has now surpassed that of a chicken meat. Citizens are buying 1 kilogram of tomatoes for up to 700 Pakistani rupees, while 1 kilogram of chicken costs 320 rupees. Vendors in Pakistan say that when imports from Afghanistan were active, they could sell fruit at reasonable prices. However, with the Turham route now closed, the prices of 1 kilogram of pomegranate have reached 700 rupees and grapes up to 1,300 rupees. We have reached to the end of our news program. Further informative materials are available on social media and platforms. Wishing all our viewers Blessing Friday. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.